I'm going to show you how to download and get Steam on your laptop or Windows PC. So the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser, go to Google and search for Steam download and just select the top option here. You have two different options here. You can either in the top right click install Steam, or you can do the middle of the page install Steam and just save that. Once that's downloaded, open up the Steam setup.exe, and the same with all other programs or applications that you've installed. Just go through the installation wizard until it is finished installing. Once Steam is installed, you'll be greeted with this login screen. If you don't already have an account, in the bottom right, just click create a free account and fill out all those details, and then you'll automatically be logged in here. Once you've made your account and are logged in, you can browse the huge library here. So for instance, you could go to categories on this drop down here and then click free to play, and then browse all of the free to play games on the Steam store, as well as going to your library to see everything that you've installed.